Meaning of goldcrest.
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 Goldcrest. The goldcrest is a tiny bird found throughout Europe, Asia, and North Africa. It is the smallest bird in Europe and is distinguished by its bright yellow and orange crown. The name goldcrest refers to this golden crest on its head. They are often found in coniferous forests and feed on insects and spiders. Despite their small size, they are known for their energetic and acrobatic movements. The goldcrest is considered a symbol of agility and quick-wittedness. In folklore, it is believed that seeing a goldcrest is a sign of good luck.